Meet Boslla RGB, the world's first, funnest, and coolest LED headlight bulb with RGB function. Offers you a safe and spectacular driving experience. Boslla RGB adopts RGB patent design, liquid-cooled copper heat pipe, conducting heat about 3 times of the market standard. The high-power custom LED chip makes it the brightest LED headlight in the world. The custom RGB chip can change from red to green to blue, making your car even more amazing and dashing. The cutting-edge 8,500 RPM dual-ball cooling fan delivers twice the market standard cooling rate. High-quality electronic components of EU standards makes Boslla RGB smarter and steadier. This is Boslla RGB. Whether it's traditional halogen bulb, xenon bulb, or Philips LED headlight, they are headlights only. Boslla RGB has both headlight and RGB functionality. Dancing outdoor with friends, Boslla RGB brings more passion. Watching sunset with your love, Boslla RGB brings more romance. Watching sunrise with your family, Boslla RGB brings more sweetness. You can easily choose the light color you like from Boslla RGB mode. The low beam of the Boslla RGB standard will never dazzle an oncoming car. The focused high beam is 3 times brighter than the halogen bulb and twice than the xenon bulb. Boslla RGB can work continuously under extreme conditions such as fire, high temperature, water, and ice. It takes only 10 minutes to install, plug and play, just like a halogen bulb. We designed Boslla RGB to fit most cars. Boslla RGB, your safer and cooler driving experience day and night.